If you are now in Japan, you are in luck. The latest Initial D Dream Tomica on my left is now on sale at selected 7-Eleven in Japan. And today I will do a side-by-side comparison with the previous release. I will also do an Initial D Tomica walkthrough very soon, so stay tuned for that. Let's start with the Akina Speedstars S13 Silvia. It's driven by Ikitani, who is a regular in the Initial D manga. First look on this Silvia is identical to the previous release, which I remember. It's also a good news for new collectors and Initial D fans who has missed out the previous release. You can see the Akina Speedstar logo type in black on 3 sides of the castings. And of course, it comes with Tomica suspension and opening door. Otherwise, it's pretty basic. Both casting looks identical, except for its livery difference. There are more colors on the previous release as compared with the latest Silvia. And for the back, it's totally identical. In conclusion, the Silvia share the same color tone. It's pretty much an understated casting, and the previous release can still be seen on our pack today. Next is the Red Sun's RX7 FD3S. This RX7 is driven by Kazuki, who is also my most favorite character in the Initial D manga. Looking at this RX7, I'm a bit surprised. So far, Tomica has released up to 4 RX7 FD3S, and this casting looks the most unique and different from the others. The pearl yellow body color is what made this RX7 so unique. Otherwise, it's the same as the previous release. The pearl finish also made this casting looks more premium. Details wise, it's pretty basic. The rear light is painted similar to the TLV. That is such a letdown. Immediately when compared with the previous release RX7, there is a huge difference in body color. To be frank, the body color of the previous release is much closer to the manga or the anime. The previous release has more color as well, and there's a difference between the Red Sun's logo type because the previous release is based on the movie version. And here comes the highlight, the Hachiroku Tofu Car, which needs no intro. Tomica has so many versions of this Tofu Car that I have lost track. I have not completed this Initial D collection. I'm still missing a handful of AE86 which are now very hard to find. This legendary Tofu Car comes with white hood with opening headlights, which is sadly not functional unlike the Tomica Premium. It's a very basic black and white casting, but just one look you know that it's a Tofu Car. The details and overall presentation of this AE86 is very basic. The 86 has opening door with basic suspension. And when compared with the previous release on my right, you can tell that their headlights are different. The latest release has a light yellow tint on its headlight, while the previous version is only white. The wheel set between the two castings is also different, and both castings share the same base with identical description. The Initial D series is the bread and butter for Dream Tomica, and this is not the last time you'll see it. Despite being Japan exclusive, it's still an awesome release by Dream Tomica. I will also do a Tomica Initial D walkthrough video very soon. Thanks everyone, bye!